Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the really awesome wireless lavalier microphone set. And it comes to you from the awesome brand Comica. It's a VDLIVE10 USB 2.4G plug-and-play Lapel mics with charging case and dual output modes. A dual wireless lav mic for USB, for smartphones, for cameras, for laptops, for live recording. It's available in 3 awesome colors, as you can see. In this case, you can see the black version. It's all there's a white version, and it's another version in an pink, okay? 2.4G digital wireless global frequency. The Comica VDLIVE10 omnidirectional wireless USB microphone adopts advanced 2.4G wireless technology, which can automatically adjust to the most suitable frequency when the frequency is interferent, helping us to effectively complete high-quality video recording. And the mini lavalier microphones are equipped with a high-quality charging storage box. They're charging for 4 hours and can support the transmitter and receiver to work for 12 hours, each about 3 times. So we should turn it off if we are place it into the transmitter and the receiver into the charging case, because it's better for the battery. This plug-and-play lapel mic can monitor the sound of the transmitter mic and the sound of the platform running on the device connected to the receiver. This brings us more professional and convenient recording. And the Comica VDLIVE mic provides internal and external microphone input modes and 3.5mm analog and USB digital dual output modes, which are widely compatible with cameras, personal computers, and mobile devices. Multiple input and output modes and wide compatibility provide the greatest convenience. And one trigger 2 wireless mics are equipped with mono and stereo switching function. And the 2 independent audio outputs are specially designed for the convenience of our post-editing audio. In addition, intelligent noise reduction, 98 feet stable transmission distance, and a low audio delay, lower than 20 milliseconds, can effectively ensure the smooth and stable recording audio. This is the Comica Professional Audio Equipment. 2.4 giga dual channel wireless USB microphone, global frequency included, 3.5mm analog and USB digital 2 output modes, an internal and an external mic, 2 input modes, a low latency, less than 20 milliseconds, and a stable transmission. Rechargeable storage cases included. Intelligent noise reduction, working distance up to 30 meters in open area, of course. Mono or stereo switch, volume adjustment, and mute function. The storage and charging integrated a versatile box to provide us with the greatest convenience. That's the charging case. This lavalier mic adopts advanced 2.4G wireless technology, which is really awesome, and it goes up to 164 feet. And we have a built-in microphone, or we can use an external microphone, as we like. And it's really easy to use. You can use it with your DSLR camera, as you can see. You will get a transmitter, and you will get 2 receivers. That means you will get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. The 1 receiver is to dock on your device, and the transmitters are the mics, okay? Then we have a cold shoe mount. This cold shoe mount is really awesome for your DSLR cameras, for example, and USB-C and a USB-A adapter. A charging cable, a 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cable, a charging case, a carry case, and so much awesome professional thing. The transmitter audio is transmitted to the receiver. Unidirectionally, audio can only be monitored in this receiver. The simplex mode monitoring is audio of transmitter, okay? The two-way transmitter of the audio between transmitter and receiver. Audio can be monitored in transmitter and receiver. Duplex mode monitoring is that. Audio of the transmitter plus audio of the platform on the device connected by the receiver. That's a really awesome thing if you are going to see what's going on the screen and you like to have the mic tool for it. That's cool. Or it's good in interviews. It's really awesome. We can easily dog it into our charging case. We put the transmitter and receiver into the charging case and long press the pairing button to pair it. If we have trouble with that, we can reset them by using a SIM card extraction tool. Each device can be resetted, and then it should be works in a second. It's really fast to connect, and then it will work. That we have a transmitter A, we have a transmitter B, and we have, of course, the power supply of the case itself. We go in so easy steps to make it enabled. We go in simplex mode, okay? Switch the S of D button to S in simplex mode. You can choose the user internal mic or the external mic to satisfy our recognition demands. When using external mic, the internal mic is automatically turned off, okay? If we're going to use the duplex mode, we switch to D, baby. We insert a transmitter on the collar so that the internal mic points to the sound source. We insert the headphone into the monitoring port to the monitor in duplex mode. Then we are going to make a USB digital output mode, USB-C device for example. We insert the receiver to the USB-C device, and we can choose to whether insert the headphone to the monitor or not based on our needs. And for example, USB-A with a computer or laptop. We connect the receiver and the USB-A device via the USB-C to USB-A adapter. We can choose whether to insert the headphones on the monitor or not based on our need. And of course, a lightning device. We connect the receiver and the lightning device via the USB-C lightning adapter. We have to purchase the USB-C lightning adapter by yourself. That's important because it's not in the box. But you can do that, it's not so expensive. And then you can use a smartphone, like an iPhone with it. We can choose to whatever insert the headphone to the monitor or not based on our needs. And then it's ready. Bose is on and we can start. So it's possible more. It works, the USB device, for example, works with USB devices via corresponding adapters. There we have to purchase separately too, okay? So we can dock, for example, 2 monitors or 2 laptops and 2 iPads as well to it. The wireless type is a 2.4 gigahertz. It's a built-in antenna. The polar pattern is an omnidirectional. The frequency response is from 80 Hz to 20 kHz. The SN is more than 60 decibel. The SPL is internal mic is 120 decibel. The dynamic range for the internal mic is 86 decibel. The sound delay is lower than 20 milliseconds, and it's really awesome. You will hear it later. The sensitivity, if the internal mic, is -30 ±2 decibel. The interface TX is 3.5 mm, RX is USB-C and 3.5 mm, and the charging case is USB-C. The battery in the TX is 95 mAh, 3.8 volt. The RX version 90 MHz per hour and 3.7 voltage. The charging case is 1000 mAh and 3.7 voltage. The charging time of the TX and the RX is 2 hours. The charging case will take 4 hours. The standby time is 4 hours. TX and RX. The charging case 3 times for 2 transmitters and 1 receiver charged simultaneously. The net weight is a TX is 14 gram, the RX 20 gram, the charging case 167 gram. Then the dimensions of the TX is 20 to 53 to 21 millimeter, RX 33 to 76 to 30 millimeter. The charging case 96 to 99 to 37 millimeter. The operation temperature from 0 degrees Celsius up to 50. Storage temperature from -20 to 60. That's the awesome Comica VDLIVE10 USB versatile 2.4G wireless USB microphone set for professionals. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, and now we are hearing what this device can have and make for us. So now you can hear the sound, which is docked. The receiver is docked into my iPad Pro, and then I paired them, the mic and the receiver, on my USB-C socket on my iPad Pro, for example. And now you can hear the sound is coming from this microphone here, this microphone, and it goes Wi-Fi connected to the receiver, and then I can clamp it to my clothes easily, and I can make an interview, for example, or something other. Because the range is really good, the sound, as you can hear, is a good sound, and the second one will pair too, if you like, and then you can do that by using it in an interview, for example. It's a really good solution for wireless communication between your iPad, your personal computer, your laptop, your smartphone, USB-C socket with your video software. And it's only plug and play. Push it in position, job's done. Pair it, make your job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.